Hello. So when I had bought my forge, got a double burner. I've taken the burners out so I can coat the inside. Now this has a Kaowool insulating batt inside that has to be coated. So the first step is to add a Rigidizer, which is going to help seal it and also harden it up. Then I can add and coat it with a refractory cement. Now I got supplies from Maritime Knife Supply, and I'll leave a link down below because for knife makers, people that blacksmith and so on, they have steel, they have knife material, they have handle material, just a broad range of pretty much a one-stop shop for anything to do with knife making. So it's locally right in the next province over in Nova Scotia, and I was very happy to see this order come in, and for me it came in 2 days. So I'll leave a link down below where you can check them out. And yeah, I was super stoked about this. I'm going to use the Rigidizer first, and what I have to do is add that to a spray bottle that I had bought and then just soak all this Kaowool inside to seal it, let it set for 24 hours, and then I'm able to start adding the refractory. So this here is a INS-Tough, so Insta Tough Rigidizer. Going to add it to the spray bottle. Now I'm going to be working in around that Kaowool. Whenever you're working around Kaowool, it's recommended you wear gloves and a respirator. And that's what I'm going to do. Make sure this is all set up and such. And then I'll put this in here. After I'm done, I'll take it into the house and let it dry in there, because you're not supposed to let this freeze. And yeah, this is my garage. It gets cold out here. If you notice it's green, that allows you to actually see what you've coated. Okay, I'm going to start with the ends first. Want to make sure you get your ends. I'll put some on that side and I'll turn it around and put it in the other side. And I'm going to empty this bottle in here. I want to make sure I get my ends really well. Now you can kind of see the green hue to this. I've just taken my mask off and gloves. Pretty much use this full bottle, but she's all kind of aqua green, bluish green kind of thing. And yeah, it should be good. Now I can take it inside and I have to wait 24 hours for it to dry and cure. So that's what I'll be doing. That's the first step. So next, what we'll do is we'll go into actually making the refractory and applying it.